Mama and Papa channel. We had an unexpected guest in Jersey. We just came up here and we had an unexpected guest. We got a few dogs here and we're gonna give him some water, this unexpected guest, because he just showed up out of nowhere. We have to be careful because he's a wild animal, but he's a very cute wild animal, so we're gonna be close. All right, guys, we're giving him the water. And in Donnie Boy's enclosure, there's a baby deer. It's very cool. We don't know where the mother deer is. We're just gonna give him like a little water. There's a little guy. And we're using Donnie Boy's enclosure. We don't know what to do because we just got here, as I said, and it was very unexpected. We're just gonna leave that water there and we're gonna see if he drinks any. And we'll update you if he drinks any, and we'll show you anything that you guys want. Bye.